Today we're decorating for St. Patrick's Day, and we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of just using regular ribbon and greenery, we're using this 67-piece St. Patrick's Day ornament set, and we're going to decorate it inside of a pretty wreath. We're so excited about this because we're Irish. First off, this is a lot of ornaments. You get 67 pieces in different designs and colors. You get the shamrocks, the rainbows, the gold coins, the leprechaun accents, and of course the green and gold ball ornaments. These are all lightweight, shatterproof, which is huge if you're hanging them on wreaths, doors, or small trees. Nothing fragile, nothing stressful. The green and gold together is so festive, and the little rainbows and coins add that fun St. Patrick's Day charm without looking cheesy. It's playful, but it's still pretty. Another thing we really like is that the ornaments are lightweight, so they don't weigh the wreath down or make it sag. Everything stays in place. You could use these for wreaths, mini trees, mantles, tiered trays, garlands, entryway decor, classroom decor. I mean, basically anywhere you want to add a quick pop of St. Patrick's Day spirit. This wreath looks full, festive, and high-end, like something you'd see in a boutique. And the best part? It only took a few minutes. No complicated crafting, no expensive supplies, just ornaments and creativity. What we love most is that we can reuse these every year. They're durable and they don't break. Plus, they store easily. We were sent these to test out, and overall, we're really impressed with this ornament set. You get a ton of pieces, great variety, and it makes decorating for St. Patrick's Day so easy and fun.